I'm Keith Mattix. I work as a senior engineering lead at Microsoft Azure on AKS. I lead a team that does a lot of open source contributions and networking projects like Istio. I serve as a maintainer for the Istio project, and I'm also on the Istio steering committee. One of the features that I'm very excited about is the telemetry feature that we have in the Istio add-on. Today, if you have any observability features like metrics or traces or logs, you want to be able to get those from your Envoy sidecars and push them into App Insights or Azure Monitor, Jaeger, or Prometheus. And Istio has first-class support for that. However, when we were looking at this from the product perspective, there was some work to do. The telemetry API resource that controls all those things was only at alpha status. And so my team and myself went into the Istio community, did a lot of work in integration testing, documentation, as well as just performance and security hardening to make sure that that resource and the functionality within is ready for consumption for Azure users and meets the quality bar that we all hold at AKS. And I'm pleased to announce that in a couple of months of work in Istio 1.22 release, telemetry API is now at V1 standard status. And that's something that the entire community can take advantage of. And after we did that, we put it into our managed product, and you can go right now today in the AKS Istio add-on and utilize the telemetry API to manage all of your telemetry needs with Istio. So the way we partner with open source, we recognize that users are going to be going to Azure documentation as well as Istio documentation. And as part of promoting the telemetry API resource, we wrote a lot of documentation on Istio's website to explain how to use it, make sure it's simple to use. Like I said, we fixed integration tests, wrote more unit tests, and made sure that we clearly documented those things that aren't quite ready for prime time yet. And so by working with the upstream community and contributing all this information, not just for the sake of Azure, but for the entire community, everybody gets to benefit. And that's one of the amazing things about working at AKS, being able to work on open source, is that we can do work that doesn't just help Azure, it helps everyone. To close, I'd just like to say that there's never been a better time to get involved with the Istio project. We love anybody, even if you're not a code contributor. Well, there's a lots of needs around documentation, user stories, validating our use cases. We'd love to hear from you. You can visit us at istio.io or github.com/istio/istio to find us, or istio.slack.com to join our active and vibrant Slack channel. On the horizon, we've got a lot of really exciting things planned around ambient mesh. Sidecarless service mesh, it's service mesh, but faster, more secure, and even more simple. And we'd love for you to give it a try and to let us know what you think.